Zoho Invoice is a user-friendly tool designed to simplify billing and invoicing processes for businesses of all sizes. Here's how to use Zoho Invoice effectively. Create and customize invoices. Begin by creating new invoices from scratch or using customizable templates provided by Zoho Invoice. Add your company logo, customize fields, and adjust layout as needed. Add client and item details. Enter client details such as name, address, and contact information. Select items or services from your inventory or add new ones manually. Specify quantities, rates, and taxes. Set payment terms and conditions. Define payment terms and include any specific terms and conditions relevant to the invoice. Send invoices. Send invoices directly from Zoho Invoice via email or generate a shareable link to send through other communication channels. Optionally, enable online payment options for faster transactions. Track invoice status. Monitor invoice status to see when they are viewed, paid or overdue. Send automated reminders for overdue payments to maintain cash flow. Generate reports. Utilize Zoho Invoice's reporting tools to gain insights into revenue, outstanding payments, and client payment history. Customize reports to suit your business needs. Integrate with Zoho and third-party apps. Integrate Zoho Invoice with other Zoho applications and third-party platforms to streamline workflows and data synchronization. Manage expenses and time tracking. Track expenses incurred for projects or business operations. Use built-in time tracking features to bill clients accurately based on hours worked.